Hello everyone, this is Pico Entertainment and we are back again, and here now we have for you another drawing video, this time of a character that I'm sure people within fandom are very much familiar with, and that is Vegeta from the iconic anime series Dragon Ball Z. And this version here will be drawing Vegeta within his Super Saiyan form, the first form that he encounters of the Super Saiyan. Now everybody I'm pretty sure is familiar with who this character is, but just in case anybody out there who doesn't know, Vegeta is the prince of a powerful race of warriors known as Saiyans, who are fueled very much by fighting and combat. They go around conquering planets and then selling off those planets to the highest bidder. And Vegeta has always been driven by this path of destiny that he believes himself to be set upon, which is to become the most powerful of all Saiyan warriors within the universe. And when he comes into the series, he enters it first off as a villain, as he and his companion Nappa strive to Earth in order to attain the Dragon Balls to become ultimately the most powerful beings within the universe. But as the series progresses, without spoiling it too much, Vegeta becomes much more of an anti-hero as he learns to build relationships with certain characters, and he learns much more to err on the side of good to a certain extreme. But what is really the burning desire of Vegeta and his most compelling motivation is that he strives to be most powerful than the show's lead antagonist, Goku. And throughout the series we see Vegeta attaining various power levels, but he always ends up being 1 or 2 steps below Goku, and that's what keeps striving on to keep fighting various antagonists and to keep improving himself, to keep training to acquire that higher level of the Saiyan power. And I think one of the reasons why Vegeta is so popular is because he has an ongoing arc throughout the series, and his motivations and his desires continually change at a steady rate as we go on throughout the various sagas within the show. So even though he is an anti-hero, he's not overly villainless, he always has a set goal. So he begins the series as a much more conniving and a strategical character, but as the series progresses he becomes much more of a courageous, much more of a reckless at times warrior who's willing to take on any challenger in order to prove himself and become the best being within the universe. So when it comes to drawing Vegeta, you have to remember that he is really, in terms of size and height, he's one of the smaller size characters within the show. So you don't want to draw him overly bulky and big, so you want to keep his figure relatively small. He's kind of like the Wolverine of the Dragon Ball Z, and that's it in a nutshell really. So he's very much slim and slender, particularly when he attains the first form of Super Saiyan, which is what we will be drawing on here. So that's the version I've gone for within this drawing video. So let me know what you think in the comments below. As usual within these drawing videos, you will see me do the pencils first and then I will do the inks later. When you see also in this video that I will draw the figure of Vegeta and then I will pencil in the flames of the Super Saiyan power in the background, and that's because when I go on to colour the picture in another video, I will colour in the actual marker colour of yellow rather than penciling and inking in the flames and then having to colour the ink over it. I just think it's better to have the flames much more in that native yellow flame colour as opposed to having the pencil and ink outline over the flame energies. So that's what you will see in this video below, just the pencil and inks, and then the colours will come later on. So let me know what you think in the comments below about my drawing of Super Saiyan Vegeta. If you have any questions or queries regarding the processes or the techniques that I use to draw any character along with this one, then just let me know in the comments below or contact me via my social media. You can also view now my DeviantArt profile, which I've recently set up, and I've left the link in the channel's page if you want to see again my artwork, which is also available on my Instagram if you want to visit that profile for now. So that's it for now. Take care of yourselves, stay at safe distances, and enjoy my drawing of Super Saiyan Vegeta.